Okay, so namaskar everyone. And why I do namaskar every time? Because I believe that everyone is God, isn't it? So it is a kind gesture, so we have to start with this one. Okay, so I believe that everyone has a God within themselves, right? So that is why. Okay, now moving to the this one. See here. Now this is from the science. I need not to say that from which chapter we have taken. Definitely it is from wave which comes under light, to be very specific. Now see here, in this entire this is the topic. This is just one topic in which it is a defect as a myopia. So there are two type of defect. One is in eye, myopia and hypermetropia, right? Now, but today in this video we are just going to discuss about the myopia and see. Okay, you will say about the sorry for the figure because it is not that accurate, but I think it is understandable. Now see here, first of all we have to understand that what is myopia. So see here, uh, okay, so actually, what is myopia, right? So according to the definition, it is defined as the type of vision defect in which a person can see nearby object. It means they can see nearby object, okay, but cannot see the distant object clearly. For such a person, the near point is 25 centimeter from the eye, but the far point is only a few meters away. So here, what is the defect? A person can see nearby. He can see the nearby object, but he can't see the far object. Okay, he can't see the distance object clearly. They can see, he or she can see, but not clearly. It will be like blurred. You know why? And why this blurriness comes actually? I will write the definition also because there was no space on the board. That is why I have not written that one. So I will write the definition also in the next video. So see here, what is the main reason of this defect? Now this figure says everything about why this defect occurs. See here, the object is at infinite far point. Now these two rays, now see here, these two rays passes through our eye, and we all know that we have a muscular type of convex lens right inside our eye. Because of that, and these are the ciliary muscles. These are the ciliary muscles. Okay, these are the ciliary muscles. Okay, yeah, these are the ciliary muscles. So the function of the ciliary muscles is that it actually contract and expand, the thing. Okay, this lens. Now see, when the image is being now from the center, it starts to bend, right? But the intersection point is right in front of the retina. Now this part is retina. It is right in front of the retina. So what happens is, image should, now this dot, now this image should be formed directly on the retina. Then only our brain will sense that okay, we are able to see some figures, okay, or some picture. Otherwise we won't be able to sense that what we are looking at. Okay, so now it is making right in front. Now this is the main defect. Now this defect of myopia and retina is here, and now image is formed right in front of, like little bit, away from the retina, not exactly on the retina. So now see here, the same thing I have, like my dear student has written. Actually see the cause of defect of myopia. Actually this drawing is drawn by my dearest student. I will say his name also later. So see here, this is the defect of myopia. So this definition is written by him. See here, okay. So now in this vision defect, the ciliary muscle. What is ciliary muscle? These are the ciliary muscle. What is the function of ciliary muscle? Now suppose this is a convex lens. So when it will be stretched, contract, it will expand, stretch, yeah, expansion, contraction, expansion, in that way. Okay, I will make a detailed video here. It might be a little bit confusing, that's why I want to avoid this one right now. So see the cause of defect of myopia. In this vision defect, the ciliary muscle, now ciliary muscle means this one, fails to stretch, okay, the lens to the required thickness when viewing distance object. See here, this is the distance object and it is unable to what? Stretch. Okay, so that is why the image is formed right in front of the retina but not exactly on the retina. Okay, now what is like after happening this thing, like it can happen to like to the any age group nowadays, like even teenagers, the old man, everyone is wearing. So it is not sure because of what reason, because of so and so reason it can happen. So see here what the remedy. So definitely the people will go to the doctor, right? So now what doctor will do, now if doctor diagnose that the man or woman, like he or she is suffering from myopia, then what he will do, he will just you have seen wearing the people glasses, right? What is that glass? That's just a lens, isn't it? So they will just place one lens there and that lens will be, which type of lens is this? Convex or concave? This is concave lens because this is thinner in middle and thicker at the edge. Okay, and this is convex lens which is thicker, right? Thicker means fat, which is thicker in the middle and thinner in the edge, right? So see here, now the light passes through this concave lens. So what happens, this light will go from here and from here it will start bending like this, but like this, because the concave lens always diverges the images, isn't it? Always diverge the image. So now see here, little bit of divergence only we have seen here because we have to make this time this one. So this is a kind of error. I will show the perfect picture of this also. So now see here later. So now the same light passes on. Now it get diverged. Now once it get diverged, it again, like, because from here it entered this lens and from here, from this concave not convex lens, from the center it will start again converting. Okay, this is again converging. So this will meet at a point. Now see exactly it is meeting at a, now see it is exactly meeting at what point? This is exactly meeting at retina. So now this is exactly meeting at retina. So it means that now the image is formed exactly on retina. It means now the person, he or she, they can view the image. So this is the remedy of myopia. In that way the remedy will be done. I don't know if the speed is fast or slow. Do let me know what strategies should I apply, and if you have any feedback, do let me know in the comment. And that is all. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.